Using the graph, solve the simultaneous equations. Now, in this case, you can see it's different because you see how we've only got one equation drawn on this graph. So in this case, we need to be able to identify which of the two equations is already drawn. Because it's like a U shape, we should know that that's a quadratic, which is the top one. The second one is linear. So linear one is a straight line. However, I do need to plot that. We don't have to plot every single set of coordinates. What I do for straight line graphs, if I'm just wanting to sketch them roughly, is choose two coordinates and then join them up. So let's just work that out first. Normally I would rearrange this so that we have y as the subject, and I get y equals minus x minus 10 over 2. Now that I've got it in this format, we're going to choose two values for x and substitute them in. Normally I tend to choose 0 so that I can find the y-intercept. So when x is 0, I substitute that in and work out what y would be, which gives me minus 5. So that's my first set of coordinates. So 0 minus 5. You can plot. Then I just need a second pair. Let's go with minus 2, which gives me minus 4. So my second set of coordinates is minus 2, minus 4. I'm going to plot that, minus 2, minus 4 here. Then just get your ruler and join up those 2 points in a straight line and extend it the whole way through. So there we are. Now we've drawn that second line, we can carry on as we did in the questions before. Finding the solutions, so some values of x and values for y, is just basically where the two lines cross, so where they intersect. So let's do the first one on the left. So we've got x is minus 4 and y is minus 3. Then we've got, by the looks of it, x is minus 0.5 roughly, and I would go with y being roughly about minus 4.8. You only need to do it to one decimal place. So those are our solutions. We've got 2 for x and 2 for y because we had this original quadratic equation. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.